Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star resort. In this resort, 7 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this resort, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 7.6. Check-in time of this resort is 2 p.m. Check-out time of this resort is 12 p.m. If you have stayed in this resort, please share your experience in the comment box. For booking or get more details about this resort, please read description box. If you have any problem booking a room in this resort, then you can drop a comment on the comment. If you are new to this channel but not subscribed yet, then please subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming resort. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new resort.